know what the fuck you gonna do that for, bro. I think you're sensible as a man, and that me I tell you about your youth. Be a fuckery. Now the only reason why you come here is to help me with the restaurant. Yeah, you're supposed to help me because we say, alright then, we're going to push off and do an opening and thing. Right? So I say, alright, you're there to help me. Not only that, we will do a look at things on the media and, you know. But you never have to go tell people that, like, you never have to go tell people, say, you're there because of the restaurant and whatever. Only in that because people don't fight me already and people not like me. Yes, it's everything I go bad, so we are go up there, so I talk about things like them there for. It make you feel like me crazy sometimes, bro. Call me and you're there. You're my big son. I go open. You understand me? And you have his skills. You get me? So, his skills when you have, come on. You must can come together and work my business place with your mother. As when me say, enough for me. Enough for me. They must suck me enough for me. If me gone, me can left them and something me to uno. You get me? Just something you do for your family, pass on. Make they have that work ethic. You get me? Or for run a business. So when me care you as me youth. You don't have to come and tell people upon life say me care you as a run business and ray, bro. And what happened? You could have just hold in as a man because we don't get a fight. Big fucking fight. You know see? Right? Simple things make you come out and go and start tell people and I tell woman a bag of thing. Because you can't hold yourself. And that's why I tell Chanel me no rate her. Because it's like you are my picnic, but me can't tell another person say you don't deserve that, bro. Because you as a man, you're not straighten up. All you think about are just pussy, 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 pussy. You don't think about nothing else. You could have a business long time around or a little car. But the only thing you want is just your hotness. You get me? You have to look hot and brown. You get me? You not think about something else where you know you can invest in. And me and you come here so you don't have to tell people because we don't get a fight already. The fucking thing is we did it and we make a deal and this never have to even talk. You never have to tell no say to nobody. Right? We don't have a meeting already. We come to agreement for pay $200 each. Right? Boomson. You agree for do it. Everybody agree. LD no do for him part. Me have my part. Your sister do for your part. Your part for do now. You and Chanel. You go away. You go look for the baby. Right? Me give you $25,000 for buy something for my grandbaby. And you say you go and come back. So you can meet up for your Sunday. We do a thing again and move on. We are the business. You chat to blood clot much. You talk about me. A video out there now, me see up and I tell you man a bag of things. It's like you don't understand of a fight for no family. Keep it in the bro. The amount of we were there together, we're supposed to be strong. Because if one somebody come for it, all we go for them. We don't not think unity type of thing. I don't act like me crazy. When me want, when me want, and when me know can work in life. Right? You come. You come from the where you're supposed to come this Sunday. None of you no give me blood clot money. None of you no give me money. You no give me money, your woman no give me nothing. So fool no one shot. Right? Simple as a man. Just come to boops and just do your thing and make up something quick and fast. You know, want give me the blood clot money. Neither your woman. So I'm me. Everything I'm me. You go to blood clot door now, go tell people say, me blood clot, you have to sleep at door. Why you have to sleep at door? If Aki walk in here, if Aki walk there so in the house, why you have to outside? Tell me now. Why you have to outside? You You don't realize so not fight for no one. You don't realize that. But the woman them online getting in your blood clot head. Alright, look a piece of man yam. Don't worry yourself. I will do what I have to do. Don't worry. I get it. Right? I will do what I have to do. I will pay it. The money will come. You understand me? Don't worry. I don't know come for beg nobody for online. My God. God will give me that. God will make it up to me. I go pay it. When I ask your woman, are you for nothing? I want to fuck up. I make up on my own. I don't want a friend for nobody. Me, myself, and I. Yeah. I'm used to it. Like me supposed to do. Right? I want to see me. I want to could have never bumbo clot love me. I want to think what me I do for me. I live out my blood clot good time. 40 blood clot year old. Half it. Have fool no time for come take over. Just come take this from mommy. Just take this from mommy. She own a platform, take you over. Do something. Make a mark. If you look at a restaurant, you can't come run it. You don't have to work for nobody. I have a skill. I may be not fucking bright, but my voice is no blood clot. But you don't see me. No. You that never fucking see me. My God, I fucking good, man. Oh God. Tell them if you care some water, come give me here. Tell if you care some water, come give me. Yeah? And see, I'm not got bed, you know? I not got no bed. I just want to go. Like one spirit coming at me. So go home. I not got bed. I don't feel sleeping none freaking time. And just go home, make sure say job is good. And I go home. I go home and easy. You see, the thing is this, I maybe don't have it as certain people to take care of my youth them, but I make my youth them good. Yeah. I make them good. Like, no joke. So, yeah, people come and talk some bad things about my kids, them like, I don't even get it. I would have never fucking get it. Right? I just feel like I'm my time for going now. I'm not wait for that me out. Understand? See, thing, I never talk about certain things, you know, because I know say like, when I know say nobody now go really understand at the end of the day if I come and I talk about certain little things. But you see when I see she cry, if you ever know me vex, like if I could have thump you in your face, I would have do it like literally. If me the day in the same room and you say that shit, I would have give like 1. No joke. And I rate that. And whatever, I don't want this black. That's why you talk me yet say when I want in a video upon live. You say you black her. Black me too. Please. Black me too. Yeah man. Cause by you saying that about my daughter, bro, I'm not like one in your face. If you just say close to me, I'll fuck you up. So like no apology, it just can't work cause me continue to say she hurt. So what the fuck? Right? Everybody want to believe like to them like, well, you're God. No, we just rate you. But you take this thing too far. I mean, not for cussing nobody word. It's like, oh, yeah, disrespect her. Right? You can't do people girl pitney, so. It's just the truth. Especially my pitney, my belly pain. Don't fuck with my belly pain, brother. I'm to you. Don't fuck with my belly pain. I'm glad she come out and say it herself because you tell me, you tell people. But no matter what nobody say, nobody now listen. People run with anything they want on social media. This is the media. Me never set you up on her. Me never set you up on her. And I never did really talk about it because you tell me specifically said, me must go out there. You just get up one day and go out there. And tell me, say, me for go out there and tell the people, say, you're not there. And when you do that now, me do it. I'm glad she come out and say it, I swear. Because there's so much there upon me, when me know say me have to love her business because she a big girl. You get me? She say, mommy, certain things, you know, you talk my business, me make my own decision. And I want to learn from Anna so they can handle their own thing. But everybody run with this and me set you up. Just because you go give me the money. Yeah. When you and her had the deal, me never know. She come to Kingston. And my son run on a prank. And after that, you and her there. You see me? You come out here and style me youth. I'm glad she can give me the freedom there for talk. I'm not care when nobody wants to say on this. I never sell it to my daughter. And my daughter deal when me do up a TikTok police. And do me hate that bumble there. But me there TikTok police that time my daughter come up and do the prank. Everybody must remember that. And she tell me say a prank. And when I come home now, she tell me say, yeah, she like you. I want to take time and get in or something. And I ask her, say, you sure? You know the reason why I ask her if she's sure and she know if it's there with you? Is because I know say, my friendship, I go end up, I go mash up with you. Some way, somehow. You get me? I'm a big girl, but nobody now go believe me because more than rather my friendship, more than relationship could come in it. But because you not do nothing, and you say you don't want for your thing come like Anna and Red Hands, I love it. I'm not come out with it. Right? I would not have to do that to myself. And you come out and diss my daughter, call my daughter, what? Bro, I don't care when nobody wants to say. Me no business. I swear to you, it's just done. And you're not going to hear me cuss no bad word. Seriously, just calmly. Do my thing. Going home. I don't have to cuss bad word to express myself. I have to just sit down and relax and talk. Who want to believe, believe. Who don't want to believe, no believe. Who want to say a prank is a motherfucking prank. Right? But you say this, what you do? I lost straw. Swear. I swear. And told me that I always just take it things say a joke because I know say he's a gimmicks type of man and you love to run joke. You get me? But you push me. You motivate me, bro. So me like you bring me up. You drag me back down. Why you do that if me is a friend to you? Or somebody where you say you love. You build me up and it's like you drag me back. Right? Because at the end of the day, you disrespect my family. You disrespect my pitney. And you don't care. And to me, it's like you want to look a humanizer. You know, that look a weird way you take control and because of certain things you just, you know, I not like that. Kind of many ways if a person see you, they see in a different light, you're a nice blood clot man. But your style, the way you have a humanizing woman, I not rate that. I'm glad she come talk. I swear to you. Make she express herself because she not hold it in no blood clot long. So make she just let it go and pass over you and go on. Even me sorry. Because me value my friendship. But me love my pitney. So give a fuck for who they on the media can chat up on a blood clot mouth. I want to know. Not like man a alien alive. You understand? What me I do? Try calm his nerves. Because I know I live with me there. I carry them home, them kids here. Get me carry my motherfucking kids home. Me I carry home my kids. I give a fuck when you come out from me about teeth. All of this blood clot. Who give a fuck? No phone no pussy stink to blood clot. No phone no pussy stink no blood clot to not talk about my teeth and my mouth. God forbid. I know who me is. Yes, right now, I carry my family home. Nah bother. Me just slow it thing. God gotta make things work out for me. Just slow it right there, so God gotta do it. Just carry them home. Relax back home a little bit. Maybe go see Anna, because I really need to see Anna too. So I just bring back my kids them home. I'm gonna make sure I go check on Anna. Spend 1-2 days with her and cook some food or whatever. Just relax with she there all day. But I need to see she. Because I know in some way she in some pain. Really. No, I have to see her. Alex! So you not sleep? Why you not sleep? I don't think nobody ever sleep tonight. Aki walk. You not go sleep. Go and go sleep. You go drive. I'm gonna try to get some sleep. Aki, Alex wake too? Alex up? Oh. When I go in the bed?
Alex asleep.
So you not sleep?
No, I'm asleep.
I'll get some sleep. I'll wake up early. I'll make a deal something for me morning, yeah? Cards. Cards are gone. Cards are gone in your bed. Yeah, I don't know where they work. Or you... Okay. 7:30 no. Well, no, I'm supposed to sleep. I can't sleep. I can't sleep at all. I'm good at the party. Me eat at the party when I can't sleep. I'm serious about one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, good. Of course, Meka good. Yeah, Meka say you know one couple bit. And charge your phone. Put some things together so I can lie down and get some sleep. When me get one big old freaking bag underneath my eyes. I get up early in the morning. Hmm? Oh, alright. No problem. Alright, call me later. Yeah, later. More like in the morning. Alright, shut my babe. Alright, I'll talk to you soon.